Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is May 2023 STL Files Part 5. This is about D&D 3D prints, Warhammer proxy prints, and other anime figures and stuff that you want to do in your game or you will put up on your shelf. And you're a big 3D printing advocate. These are the ones I have so far. And if there are certain ones I have not shown or know about, please leave down the comments so I could check them out. Might be in the next following video. Please subscribe, like, and share if you guys have it. Check out our Patreon Discord down and below as well. And let us begin. So we have Balsal Sar 3D prints. So this is mostly like female, and there's a NSFW stuff for this as well. And I think this month is cyberpunk girls. So if you're doing sci-fi style type gaming or tabletop, this might be for you as well. Have a nude one as well if you're really into that and pay a little extra more for that as well. Prints are good. Everything looks good as well. It's just I don't have anyone that really enjoy playing sci-fi as much as I really want to, but that is what it is. But I'll probably end up getting it. The majority of stuff I show, I pretty much end up getting. TPK Labs. Let's see here. We have for TPK Labs. Don't they have? Here we go. So we have Pirate Captain. This is for D&D stuff as well. Pirate Gunner 1. There's your Sea Warlock. Yeah, Pirate Gunner 2. Pirate Gunner 3. Rumble Corrupted Pirate, Captain Serenus, and we have a Rogue, Goblin Marksmanship, Sea Swordsman with a cape and stuff. Let's see, Pirate Swordsman. So this is basically a pirate theme that I'm seeing right now. And we have a Euro Baby Kraken. That's kind of cute. It'd be nice if a Kraken's that friendly, but I really don't know. But yeah, a lot of cute stuff. Angry Catfolk Pirate. So yeah, if you need pirates in your game, there you have it. This is what you want. There's your little terrain that comes with it as well. Next one is GM3D. I think is Alabara. I think Al Beldos and Merlin. And I think they're doing Chung Li as well. We got the girl from Dress Me Up anime. I forgot what it's called. But yeah, those are the three things basically be out this month. I did not print any of the stuff out yet, but hopefully I'll be able to. Right now I'm printing Sephiroth and Cloud from Nom Nom figures. Dungeon 10 ups. So we got Dragonlance. I want three from Dragonlance books. I would love that too. That's a Kickstarter having that I'm not getting. So we have preview. So we have Magical Girl, Samurai Girl, Faye, and a girl laying in pillow with nude. And hopefully I don't get demonetized by that. Lost Kingdom. I think we're doing corrupted centaurs. I don't know what these centaurs are really called. They're like demonoids. Fae. For the Lost Kingdom is actually pretty good. These are also War Tabletop. They have rules for it too for their thing. But if you're interested, you can play it. But I think it's some kind of a fiend type race. Do not know what they really call themselves. I'll probably find out if we look through some of these photos. But they do look pretty damn cool, to tell you the truth, for it. And yeah. Centaur with a priest. This looks cool, but the problem is like if you want to play this for your D&D games, like you really need to have to add these guys in for your party. But if I do add this in, probably the Infernal Planes or some type of a Hell type campaign for it. But not a lot of people would like to go to Hell campaign. Let me see, Magma Horn, Magman Hornin dwarves. So some type of dwarven subspecies for that. Daimanu. is another anime video game figure as well. I think we have Samus and Talius from Mass Effect as well. Got a better looking one. I think they only do like one figure at a time. But I do would like to have Samus though. One Page Rules is also a good proxy for Age of Sigmar and Warhammer. They also have their own rules as well if you want to play with them as well. We got a May release. Looks like a Tyrannid, but it's a big ass lizard with a long ass tongue. That'd make a good basilisk, I would say. Yeah, that looks like a freaking mouth that from a Tyrannid used to have. That has it. You might actually make a proxy of this as Tyrannid if you really wanted to. We have, looks like a Caviar, engineer supported. So you have humans. That'd be really good to have for your games. I know they're bringing fantasy back as well, so this might be a good proxy for fantasy, Warhammer Fantasy as well, that they're bringing back finally. And we have the Sisters of Battles again. So another good proxy for Sisters of Battle if you really want that as well. You could change your guns and everything else around. Yeah, the detail is very uncanny. It's really nice. I do want to build a Sister of Battle, but I have a big ass army I have to work on as well for this. And here's your terrain pieces and your ships. And you have your little print it out. If you can't 3D print, you can print the stuff out and use that as well. Okay, next one. Puppet War, another Warhammer proxy. That's really good as well. So you have a orc Batmobile, and you have a Bat orc with a battle rank. Oh, that's fucking hilarious. Oh, this is fucking hilarious. Yeah, yeah. You gotta get that for your orc. For your Batman, your orc man. Bat orc or something. With a Batmobile battle rank. Batmobile. Oh, this guy was probably having fun designing this shit as well. But what else is coming out in May? I think this is the preview. So, yes, Letter Samurai Space Marine. That's really cool looking as well. And we have like a Dark Angel with an angel wing in the back design. It's probably good for the Dark Angel area. And you have pieces of you like stepping on orcs and stuff, and got some Tyranids and orcs. That would be kind of cool. But yeah, that's it for Puppet War. Flesh of God. Flesh of God, we have a gargantuan enemy. Looks like some kind of different type of kraken destroying a lighthouse. Heroes. Looks like more pirate heroes. More pirates. Looks like that's like you have a pirate thing. A large enemy. So you have a sea hag. I don't know how you pronounce that. Saiwukue. And you have a sea dragon. Enemies. So you have like more of a sea enemy. And you have your bust. And your throwbacks. And your starter pack. Next one is Wicked. We are getting Captain America, Beast, and Spider-Woman. I think they're also doing other stuff as well. That's what Spider-Man looks like. That's pretty cool looking. We're having the white Tiger Zoid. I think you're having a white and the Green Ranger as well. Are you getting more? I don't want no more close-up of that. And the Zoid. You also have the white and Green Ranger right here as well. So you can get those 3D printed. That'd be really cool to use. Okay. Last one will be the last. Next one will be the last one. OXO 3D printing. Another anime and video game. So you have a lady for One Punch Man, the Beast lady. Forgot the monster one. We got Sylvanas, and we got Yuna. Yuna is April, so we have one more. Sylvana, I believe. Um, is it? Yeah, those three for this month, and that'll be it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. If there's a Patreon you may look through, please let me know down in the comments below. Check out our Patreon Discord, and I hope you have a great day, and take care, guys. Bye-bye.